Well, the reason for the fuel consumption of the car is found. Look, I have fully put the handbrake to the bottom. But you can see that the rear wheel is particularly difficult to turn. Do you think this can save fuel? Let's solve it today. Pay attention to learning, and you won't be cheated when you go to repair the car in the future. Look! The brake disc can't turn at all. This is caused by the poor return of the brake caliper. First, remove these two screws and use a large wrench. Okay, the lower screw has been removed. The lower screw has been removed, and the sub pump can be taken out from the bottom. Shake it back and forth, and the sub pump will come out. Pull out the guide pin and have a look. Wow, you can see that it is full of rust on it. Pull out the top one and have a look. There is also a lot of rust. No wonder the tire can't turn. Now let's try to turn it again. You can see how easy it is to turn this way. It seems that the problem lies on the guide pin. This is the brake pad, this is the brake disc, and this is the brake caliper. When the brake calipers clamp the brake pads, the brake disc will not be able to rotate. If it is loosened, it will be able to rotate. If it is stuck, it will not be able to rotate. And if it is loosened, it will be able to rotate again. This is the principle of car brakes. If the guide pin is rusted, it will cause the brake calipers to return poorly, and the brake pads will keep biting the brake disc, so the tires will be particularly hard to turn, which will eventually lead to increased fuel consumption. Let's first sand off the rust on it with sandpaper, and then start to lubricate. This is the butter I just bought. It's cheap. Let's insert the guide pin in and lubricate it, and lubricate the guide pin as well. After lubricating, install it. After lubricating the guide pin, you can see that the caliper can return to its position normally. Put it back on and screw it back on. Okay, the caliper is already installed. Let's put the tire back and try it out. The tires are already on. The next step is to witness the miracle of the moment. If the tire turns very easily in a while, please give me a like and support. The problem has been completely solved, and the fuel consumption will definitely be reduced. I am Brother Sohn. Follow my homepage and have 1000 car knowledge.